This trick can get you rid of all the annoying and gross blackheads instantly. These small black spots on our skin can be very unpleasant, and many people in the world are experiencing this type of facial skin problem. Well, these annoying dots or blackheads are usually common in people who have oily hair, oily skin, clogged glands or pores. And they are especially common in people who are living unhealthy lifestyle and eating unhealthy food. These dark spots are actually blocked pores which are filled with skin debris, dead skin cells, keratin and sebum, and oily substance. The blackheads can appear on your face, on your back, ears and other parts of the human body where sweat glands are located. Even though they do not possess potential to harm our health, they appear on the face, which is the most noticeable body part, so they are an unpleasant phenomenon and can be quite annoying and unattractive. As we said, clogged glands or pores are the usual cause of blackheads. The excess sebum and dead skin cells clog the pores and make the best environment for blackhead development. Some people think that the dirt is responsible for the blackhead's appearance and they rub the skin on their face. But they are definitely wrong. Scrubbing will only make it worse. Fortunately, there are several quick and safe ways to get rid of blackheads and solve that issue. However, instead of using the expensive facial creams and cosmetic products on the market, you should try this home remedy. And the best thing about it is that this remedy won't have any side effects for your skin because it's completely natural. Homemade remedy for removing blackheads recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 lemon, 3 drops of honey. Directions. Here's what you need to do. You need to pour the drops of honey over the lemon and rub your face with this mixture. You should rub this mixture on the affected area on your face. Leave the mixture on your face for 5 minutes and then you need to rinse it with some cold water. You will be amazed by the results. You can repeat this effective method 2 times a week. About the ingredients. Why lemon? Well, the main reason why we use lemon for this blackhead remedy is cause of its acidic properties. The acidic properties of the lemon are extremely useful in removing dead skin cells and to promote new skin growth. The lemon juice helps in unclogging the pores, cleaning the skin, and it reduces the number of blackheads on your skin. Why honey? The honey is extremely powerful and natural antibiotic. The honey's main role in this mixture is to remove the accumulated dirt in the pores, to tighten the skin pores, to hydrate the skin pores and to give them a clear complexion. And we can also mention that honey is extremely powerful and useful weapon in destroying skin germs and unclogging pores, cause of its antioxidant, antibacterial and antiseptic properties. Note: you should also know that this natural remedy works differently. It all depends on your skin type. So make sure you try it at least 2 to 3 times a week in order to see how it will work for you. You will notice the amazing results instantly. This is the best home remedy for treating blackheads. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share with your friends and family.